This could be trouble, and the Dutch may be about to score, and they have. Well, it's always the risk when your goalkeeper makes the run, and the Dutch here against the hosts have scored to silence the crowd here in Tashkent. Always wants to come forward. This is similar though to the first half. His mistake, and all of a sudden the Dutch are back ahead. And what a wonderful goal it was.
Keeper's cool, is going to break loose. Brazil could try and strike here, and they have done it. It's not taken them long through Marcel. As we have a look at Marcel opening the scoring for Brazil. Oh, brilliant! Back. Goalkeeper has come into the attacking half. Oh, he's going to squeeze in! Outrageous! Oh, it's a nightmare for the goalkeeper. Brazil.
Let's cut back. Salazar waiting. And there is the opening goal. Salas takes it short. And what a wonderful strike that is from Mendes. Rifled into the roof of the net to restore the lead here for Paraguay.
Dreg on the outside, and he makes it too. Mohamed Reg doubles Libya's advantage. Newski. The goal is gaping, and Libya have surely sealed it now. Their first ever win at a FIFA Futsal World Cup. Cool, calm, composed. A kiss off the post. And there's a chance they pulled one back. Jordy Gifford. Maybe, just maybe, the most unlikely of comebacks is on. Early opportunity. Oh, how about that? Just 6 seconds on the clock, and Kazakhstan strike first.
Little step inside from Janowski. Great finish. Opening goal of the game goes Ukraine's way. Petro Shutuma, who gets the opening goal of the game. Gowner. Well, he'll pull back. Lovely. That's what he does best, Alan Brandy. Gowner wasn't giving this one up, and that finish. Goalkeeper's out again. It's in the post and in. And another goal from their own half. This time, Lucas Bolo. Sarmiento can celebrate as well. 6-1 now.
And it will be flipped with Coelho, and it will make its way back towards Bruno Coelho. And he will rifle in goal number 3. Jesus works it back, and that is spectacularly done. Well, he really unleashed the beast. Cecilio back in field. Oh, wonderful here. Wonderful, wonderful goal. And Portugal make it 9.
Oh, what a finish! Daverty! Oh, brilliant from Azimi. Ruthless. Watch this. Break now, Ruiz with Alvarado in support. Finishes it! Terrific breakaway. And the finish to match as well. For all the France ball, it is Guatemala. Encore jump on, take responsibility here, lays it back. Oh, wow!
Oh, what a strike. Goodness me, who would do? Just swung a boot at that, and it is flown past Vargas. Another stunning goal in this FIFA Futsal World Cup. Espinosa again, stab shot, chance here now, Martinez. Not missing from there, brilliantly played by Espinosa in the build-up. Salas continues his run, El Mudarov's come a long way out, brilliant finish. Goalkeeper came flying out, El Mudarov, and Salas has just lifted it over him. Got his angles absolutely perfect. Paraguay now lead by 4 goals to 0. Great finish from Salas.
Oh, what a goal from Niguinho! That's outrageous! Artur, off he goes. Artur, brilliant! Artur! Oh!
Good defence being offered here by Ukraine, who have the chance to make it 3, which is something they do. Ukraine 3, Angola 0. There's the skill from Albert, and there's a lovely burst and a wonderful goal. Real quality from Albert. That unpredictability that we have been expecting from him. Adelito, a wonderful pass and a fine finish from Vedo, who does get his goal on the world stage. What a game. Argentina might be about to change the outlook of it, and very swiftly they do. And it's the second of the night for the impressive Rosa, who weaved his way through quite brilliantly, and then had the presence of mind just to poke it into the far corner.
Oh, what a response from Ahmed Abbasi. Salah! Devastating. So much space, so much time. Salah! Wow! That is outrageously good. Assimi brilliantly down! No! What can he do here? That's exactly what he can do.
Ziki wins it back. Good footwork, Ziki, a little bit fortunate. Lovely footwork from Ziki. That looked like it across the line, and the goal's been given. And Ziki has Portugal's second. But that's what he can do. There's the quick feet, there's the flair, there's the skillful touch that is so synonymous with futsal. And Ziki makes it 2. Won the ball back initially. It looked as if he got too much to do. And they've scored finally to give their crowd something to cheer about. Portugal breached. It's Aliev that gets the goal. Nice chance maybe. Shot blocked. Great back heel, in off the post. What a goal. Well, that probably is the goal of the game. Back heel from Soliev.